Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Microsoft OneNote for notebook workflows step by step clearly. Open Microsoft OneNote on your device. Navigate to the File tab in the upper left corner. Click on Share in the menu. Look for the Get a Link option. Select Create a Link to generate a subscription link. Copy the link provided for your notebook. Open your preferred web browser. Paste the link into the address bar and hit Enter. You may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials to access the notebook. Once signed in, the notebook will open in your browser. To view the notebook in OneNote, click on the Open in OneNote button. This will launch the OneNote application on your device. You can access and sync it whenever you open OneNote. Utilize sections and pages for better organization. Make use of tags and highlights for easier navigation. Regularly check for updates in the notebook as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.